Welcome to the video. In this video, I am going to explain you a software which has been designed specially for small business owners. Normally, small business owners don't have the accounting knowledge and they used to maintain their accounts in the Excel sheets. So now we have designed very simple, very easy to use software which can replace the Excel sheets. They can enter their business transactions directly into the application, and whatever the reports they need, it will be available to them. So let's get started. Enter your user ID and password to log into the system. As you can see, this is the home page of the application. Very simply designed, very user friendly. Left hand side, all the reports available to you will be available here. In the middle, you have modules of the application. For example, we have a lot of modules in this application. Whatever the module you are interested in, we will give it to you. For example, we have accounting module, we have invoicing and quotation module. Okay, we have HR and payroll module. Okay, and the right hand side we have the master information. For example, in this video we are going to talk about the expense manager application. This application is designed so the small business owners can enter their incomes or expense transactions into the application and can view the income statement of their business. So whatever they need to define the income account or expense account, they can define it here by using these options. So let's get started and I will explain you how you can enter the expense entry. Click on the enter expenses. These are all the accounts on your left hand side which you have already defined in the system. So you will select, for example, medical expenses. In this example I'm selecting, for example, I'm entering the amount 5,000. Okay, on the right hand side I have to select the project. Now this application is capable to provide you the costing report. For example, if you have multiple hotels, okay, and you want to see the income statement of each hotel separately, or you are doing a business, let's say rent a car business, and you want to see the income of each of your car separately. So these are all your projects. You need to define all those projects, okay, in the project setup area, and this list will be available with to you with your all the projects. So for example, I'm selecting Karachi project, and from the down I need to select the cash account, yani from which cash account I am paying this amount. If you want to know the balances in your cash account, you can click on the show balances. Once you click on show balances, this report will show you all of your cash accounts with their available balance in them. Okay, you want to enter any comments, you can write it here in for your future reference. Okay, otherwise this voucher is ready to save. You can click on the save voucher button and voucher number has been generated. You can also print the voucher. Obviously your company logo will come here, your company name and company address will come here. Whatever the address name, you can add it in the administration module. This application is totally customizable. If you have any kind of business needs, you can discuss with us. We can make the customizations in this application and give it to you to use it, so you can take the maximum benefit of using an application. Okay, so this was the expense voucher. Let me show you the cash transaction. If you want to make a transaction and you want to transfer one cash from one bank to another, you can enter in this voucher. For example, you are transferring the cash from MCB bank to uh, Mizan bank. For example, the amount is 7,000 on this date. You can write the comments for your future reference. You also need to select the project. Now this voucher is ready to save it. Voucher number will be generated. Now the cash account will be reduced in the MCB bank and added to the Mizan bank. This is how you can use the system. Very simple, very easy, We will give you proper training. We will help you defining your accounts for the first time, and you will be very familiar, you will be very satisfied using the application. So let me show you the income statement. Click on the income statement. For example, I would like to see the income statement from January to June. I want to see my business profit for that period, so I will click on show button. This application will show me the breakup of all my income accounts and all my expense accounts, and the middle the summary will come. For example, I'm getting this much of income for that period range. Okay, the chart will help me visualize my business income. If I come down, okay, I can see all my expenses, and I can see the number of times the expenses incurred in this period range. If I further click on yearly, all my expenses for that period range will come to me based on the month wise. So I can see every expense month wise how much it happened. Very simple, very easy to use. Left hand side, all my income summary. All the reports will be downloadable into Excel format. Now at the end, I would like to show you if you want to edit a voucher. For example, I have entered a voucher for my expense and I need to edit it. So I will click on the expense vouchers button, provided if I have the access to edit the voucher. Because this software is a multi-login software, we can give you 1 2 3 4 as much logins you want, and you can share those logins with your staff members, with your partners. Accordingly, you can set the access to those logins. So for example, you share one login with your junior staff, and um, you don't like that junior staff can edit any voucher, so you can block the access of edit voucher for him. Whenever he will log in, he will not be able to edit any voucher. He will come to you, you have to log in with your ID, and you will be able to edit the voucher. For example, I'll click on show all vouchers. All vouchers comes in front of me. I want to see all the vouchers where I have paid the money by cash. This is how I can make the filter. I want to see all the vouchers for the project Lahore. So this is how you can filter your data. This is how you can search your data. In the down you have the option to select the account. Okay, very easy. If you want to edit any voucher, you need to click this pencil sign. For example, I want to edit this voucher. So now you are in the edit mode. You can change the amount, you can uh, enter any description, comments, or you can reselect the project you will. If you want to print the voucher, you can do so. Whenever you are done, you make the save button and come back to the same screen. This is how you can edit your vouchers. If you want to clear, you can clear it. If you want to download in Excel format, all your data will be downloaded into the Excel format. If you want to change the sorting order, you can do so. Many useful things you do with your application. So if you want to contact us, just visit us at eqlsolution.com. Okay, this is our website. You can browse our various products, can have the demo of them. If you want to contact us, this is our office address and contact information. If you want to know about more about our hosting servers, click on the hostings, so you will get to know that on which servers we are hosting our application, how secure they are. And if you want to see the conditions, on which conditions we provide the applications to you. So this is how you can get that information. I hope you like the video, and thanks for very much for watching it.